HTC has launched its new smartphones under U series in Taiwan called HTC U24 Pro, and it is the successor of the last year launched HTC U23 Pro smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the HTC U24 Pro smartphone. The HTC U24 Pro features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus curved OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the HTC U24 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support, alongside the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4600 mAh battery, with 60 watts wired fast charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and 5 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.1 by 74.9 by 8.98mm, and it weighs around 198.7 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HTC U24 Pro has been priced in Taiwan for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 18,990 new Taiwan dollar, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 20,990 new Taiwan dollar. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in space blue and twilight white color options. So, what do you guys think of this HTC U24 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.